This property offers so many amenities for horse lovers, including a barn with 10 indoor stalls, an additional 20 outdoor horse pens and 6 10 by 10 stand-up stalls. There are 2 workshops, a roping arena, a 1-bedroom apartment and pipe fencing throughout. In addition to all of this is a beautiful home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage and a sunroom plus a gorgeous backyard with a playground and gazebo. Also, there is community water and a well. All this and more on 4.3 acres.